subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Poco X3 back in September last year, the company has now launched the higher variant of it as Poco X3 Pro along with the Poco F3 globally. Talking about the specifications, the Poco X3 Pro features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus dot display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset paired with Adreno 640 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Poco X3 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear under the circular ring at the top center that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 190° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, it has an 20MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12 based on Poco skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 5160 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, along with the high-res audio system, Z-axis linear motor, and it also comes with liquid cooling technology that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.3 by 76.8 by 9.4mm and it weighs around 215 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco X3 Pro has been priced globally for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at €249, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at €299, and it has a limited period discount of €50 under the early bird sale starting from March 24th. The smartphone will be available for purchase in Phantom Black, Frost Blue and Metal Bronze color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco X3 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.